Now we're going to discuss statistical significance. So when we're doing hypothesis testing, we're choosing between two hypotheses, the null hypothesis and the alternate hypothesis. So when we're taking a sample, this is considering the result of the sample compared to the population. So does the result of your sample raise doubts about the null hypothesis? Now remember, the null hypothesis is that there has been no effect. There needs to be an agreed significance level of the test. That is, we might say we're looking at 5% for statistical significance, 1%, 0.1%. So we're calling that significance level alpha. So if we consider alpha in general, then the condition for rejecting the null hypothesis is if the p-value is less than alpha. So if the p-value was 0.75, if that was the agreed value, less than 0.05 for the p-value will mean that the null hypothesis is rejected. If, though, the p-value was bigger than alpha, say bigger than 0.05, if that was the agreed value, then the null hypothesis would not be rejected. As we use the normal distribution to determine the p-value for a hypothesis test, then the test is called the z-test, where we have the formula for z on screen.